And today we are off right now. We're heading to catch a bus and we're going to go to Niagara Falls. So we thought we would take you with us and show you Niagara Falls. I also forgot my adapter, so I'm not able to wash my hair. So that is something that you should remember if you're coming to America. Don't forget to bring your adapter with you. We're probably going to go ahead and buy one tomorrow. So our bus trip is an entire day. We're leaving now. The bus is going to leave at 7 and we're going to get back to New York tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. But anyway, come with us and I hope you enjoy.
I'm lost in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost in America. Stay with me. I'm lost in America. Stay with me now. 'Cause I'm lost in America.
Okay guys, so we just made a quick stop at this in Pennsylvania at Burger King, and then there's a gas station here. We ended up trying Burger King. It was okay. I think it's a lot of calories for stuff that doesn't taste that good. In South Africa and in Britain, we usually call a biscuit a scone. So I really wanted to try a biscuit with sausage, which is what we had, and it was interesting. I've never eaten scones with sausage and cheese and an omelette before. It was nice. But I will say that I wasn't super impressed by it. I think the food here is very heavy and it's very, very calorie dense. Like one tiny little burger, which you saw, was 700 calories, which is insane. I don't understand how you can beat that many calories in one tiny, tiny portion of food. But anyway, so we're gonna leave now and we're heading over. I think we're crossing over several different states to get to Niagara, even though you can basically, I think you can go straight in New York State, but then we lose 2 hours. So yeah, let's see where we end up next. did the falls. As you can see, we are dripping wet. It was epic. Totally amazing. Completely recommend. Niagara Falls is the most powerful waterfall in North America at a speed of 10 meters per second and 50 meters high. It is made up of 3 different waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, Bridal Veil Falls, and the American Falls. The largest of this is the Horseshoe Falls, which actually borders both America and Canada. The falls is used to generate hydroelectric power, and you will find a statue of Nikola Tesla, as he is the one who developed alternating current and made it possible to transfer power over longer distances. Because of this, the falls is actually not at its full flow the entire year. It's only in the summer that you will see it in full flow due to tourism. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're leaving you with a fireworks show at Niagara Falls. I'll see you in the next one.